In this unit, my students were learning about different biomes, and we were inspired by Jacques Cousteau's exploration of the underwater biome. So we decided we were going to make some paper mache fish. So to start off with, we got plastic bottles and recycled those, and we used recycled cardboard. And what we need to do first is to create the form of our fish. So by doing this, we used cardboard for the fins and the tail, and we attached it using both hot glue and masking tape. Once our basic form was done, we then took paper and added more shape to it by crunching up the paper and attaching it with masking tape. I wanted to do a hump head fish, so I put a bulge at the front of my fish, but if you wanted to change the shape of the fish rather than the bottle shape, just use paper and kind of mold it to your bottle to give you the shapes that you want. Next, we're going to create the paper mache. So first, my students will take recycled paper and just rip them into strips that they can use. And then I use a white glue and water mix. And it's probably about 2/3 white glue, 1/3 water. I kind of just add the water a little bit at a time, just to get it a little bit thinner than what the glue mix is, but you don't want it too runny. Then you simply take your paper strips that you've cut and you dip it into the glue, and I usually take off any of the excess glue water mix, and you simply wrap your form, all sides of it, all parts of it, with your paper and your glue mix. And when it hardens, it's going to give you a paper mache fish. Lastly, you'll want to paint your fish, and you can look at all kinds of tropical fish online to get idea for color, or simply just make it up and paint it whatever colors you want. At the end of mine, I added some tissue paper for some side fins. I also added googly eyes for the fish, but really you can just be creative and do anything you want to your fish to do those finishing touches.